Heading up the hill. Guess there must have been a heck of a gully washer. No tracks so far, but continuing up the hill. Been a while since I've been all the way up to the top. There's Xena, my dog. Yep, nice muddy spot here, but only my dog's tracks so far. I want you to take a look at the scenery that we got here. Very nice. And to the north, to your, well, my perspective to the left is Elwood City. It's a small town, nice little town. And then surrounding it is all farmlands, woods. The Beaver River is to the west. And Xena. Okay, and I'll continue on. I'm not going to venture off to the sides just yet. Number one, I'm by myself, so I'm just going to stay to this main track today. I know up top here there's a little area where they keep their machinery for clearing, because I know that they want to develop this land. And turn it into, I guess, a little golf course community or something, which is a shame, but that's the way it is. Oh, these boulders, they surround the property. The golf course is called Old Stonewall Golf Course. So they've got these boulders all around. In fact, they're behind my property, bordering my property with theirs. So it makes a nice backdrop in my backyard. Sort of medieval, which is the theme of their restaurant. It's a castle. It's been a while since I've been up here. Okay, more mud, but nothing. I honestly haven't heard any calls, not in months, not since, let me think, might have been March was the last time I heard anything. There's a lamppost base with dragons, it looks like, or not really sure, on the side. Looks pretty neat. Some pillars, marble pillars. We'll see what else is over here. I think it's all just a dumping ground for their, whenever they were building the restaurant. It's just the dumping ground for their overflow of material. The owner he had a software company or something, I don't know exactly what. I'll take you over here. Beautiful marble. Or is that granite? I don't know. Not really. I think that's granite. Make a nice countertop. A small piece. But all kinds of stuff over here. But again, look. There's Elwood City. The city of Newcastle is up over those hills, way over there, about 20 miles north. Where are you at? Come on. Ah, there you are. Stick close by. Whoa. That's a nice big piece. Whoa. I know my husband would enjoy the view of this. It's a machine. Bit dinged up. Someone dumped an old couch and a recliner. That's a shame. little caterpillar. No, that's not bones, that's just looks like paper. Yeah, it's paper. Oh, okay, I know. Whenever there's a wedding and the 4th of July, they set off fireworks from up here. So everyone in the area gets treated to a nice show. So this must be the spot where they set things up. Zena just looked up in that direction. I saw her turn and look. Unfortunately, I forgot my pistol. Take you over here to the edge. We'll take a look down onto the golf course. I see a few tracks here and there in the mud, but they're all deer tracks. This view of the back of the Castle restaurant, the golf course. There's a glimpse of the Connoquenessing Creek. I see along those ridges way out there and over here